Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Kemi, and in this video I will be trying on 3 lipsticks from the LipBar. Bawse Lady, Hot Mess, and Boy Trouble. How are y'all doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Yes, in just showing you guys the packaging, and I already took out Boy Trouble. That's going to be the very first one that I try. I bought this lipsticks from the LipBar's website, and the lipsticks are $13 on that website, but you can get it for $12.99 each at Target.com, or if your local Target sells LipBar lipsticks, then you can get it for $12.99 there. I am lining my lips with is it Night Moth? No, it's not Night Moth, it's Vino. I line my lips for the most part when I'm wearing reds or bold colors with Vino or Night Moth, but in this video I'm using Vino. And this is my absolute favorite color. Out of the 3 that I'm wearing, this is my absolute favorite one. It's beautiful, bright orange, liquid lipstick. This lipsticks are vegan. It's Black owned company, so yay. Supporting Black owned businesses is a thing and it should always be a thing. And this company is actually 9 years old today. It is also made in the USA, so it's a great company to support if you are so inclined. Yeah, your girl's happy. I love this lipstick. It makes me happy. It's everything. I'm showing you guys Shiseido square pads. I use this for to actually remove makeup or to apply toner usually, but this is what I had around me and I just wanted something quick. I'm using melanin oil. It's a multi-purpose oil, so I'm using it to kind of break down the lipstick. Since it's a liquid lipstick, I just wanted something that I know would break it down easily without stripping me of so much moisture. Since I'm trying on 3 lipsticks and they're all bold colors, this is like an easy way for me to kind of go from one lipstick to the other. What shows are you guys watching right now? Is there any good shows out there that I need to be checking out, especially on Netflix or Prime, Amazon Prime? If you have any suggestions, let me know. Let me know below. Thank you. I have a link for most of the items that I'm featuring in this video. I do get a small commission on any if you use the link. I'd appreciate it if you use my link. Thank you. Thank you so much. The next lip color that I'm trying is my second favorite. Actually, I have my second. I love this one. It's called Hot Mess. It's a pink color. It's like a hot pink color. It's so stunning. I really predict that this will be a hot color for this spring. I think we've all had quite a year already. It's only February and just so much, I feel like it's 2021 has been like a continuation of 2020, and we need that, nice bright pop of color to make us feel better, make us feel good. So I think this bright pink color Hot Mess from LipBar will be a great shade to add to whatever wardrobe you have going on this spring or even right now. I think I'm craving color already, even though it's February, but see how vibrant and pretty, easy to wear this pink is. Yeah, I love it. Just cleaning up the sides just so that it looks more sharp, and if I have any smears, I'm just kind of using a little powder to just dust off whatever Anyways, your girl's feeling herself. Yes. Are you following me on Instagram? Please go follow me on there. It's Chem Sparkle, same name as my channel, YouTube channel name. Go follow me on Instagram. I would appreciate it. Yes. Just a little sip of coffee. And I'm just showing you guys there that once it dries, once the lipstick, it's a liquid lipstick, it doesn't transfer that much. It doesn't transfer at all once it sets. Here I'm showing you Rouche Posay, my hydrating spray. I really love it. I don't know if I love it more than the Avene one that I used in another video, but I really like it's a fine spray mist, so it feels so good and hydrating. Yeah, and I love my Trader Joe's lip balm. It's so good. Here I'm showing you the two lip pencils that I use all the time for my bold lipsticks. It's either chestnut or I use chestnut or night moth or vinyl. But this is Bawse Lady. This is the last lipstick I'm going to be trying on here. It's more of a deeper red. This is the popular one actually on Instagram, or that's how I got into LipBar and found out about the brand. A lot of people really like Bawse Lady. Out of the three, this is my least favorite one, but it's a good everyday red lip color if you're looking for something that is easy to wear, isn't as bright as Boy Trouble, the very first orangey red that I tried on. You might actually prefer this if you're looking for easy to wear red. And I used chestnut lip liner from MAC with this. It looks really pretty together. Yeah, just cleaning up the edges like I always do. If you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Like this video. You like it. You know you do. Yes, like this video. I would really appreciate it. Leave me a comment. Which lip color is your favorite? Which one do you prefer on me? Which one do you have? Talk to me in the comments. Let me know if you have a favorite. The tip that I wanted to share is that sign up for the to receive emails from LipBar. You get to know when they are going to have sales. I actually ended up buying mine for like $5, and I think after I bought mine, they've had several sales since I got it. So go ahead and follow them on Instagram or sign up for their emails. You will get to know when they have sales going on. So that's my tip. Thank you for watching till the very end. I appreciate you. Thank you. Have a good one. See you next time. You know your girl's feeling herself when she's like posing. Thanks. Bye. Have a good one, guys.